Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are doing well. As in our previous lecture we have learned the concept about the area of rectangle. Today I will teach you that how to calculate the area of square. Now open your booklet, page number 80. Let's start. What is the area? As area is amount of surface a shape covers, mean the space covered by any surface or by any shape is called area. Look at this square. This one is a square shape. What is the area? The shaded portion inside this square shape actually shows the area. This actually shows the area. This arrow mean this shaded portion is the area of this square figure, as there are 4 sides of the square and all the sides are equal in length. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So area is equal to side square. Area is equal to square of the side. What is the area of the square? The area of the square equals any of its two sides multiplied together. What is area of square? How we can calculate the area? The area of square equal any of its two sides multiplied together. One side and two sides, you can choose any side because all the 4 sides are equal. So area is equal to side multiply by side, or you can only use the letter s multiply by s. So side by side. This one is very simple formula to calculate the area of the square. Now as you can see, this one is a square box. This one is a square box. In this square box, this inside portion, inside space covered by this box is called area of the square. If I want to draw it over here, you can look it over here. Okay, this one is the square. If I will draw this square like this one. So the space covered by this square box is called area. Now look here, this space covered by this box, square box, is called area. So this inside portion, the space inside this boundary is called area. We will not include the boundary, we will just look at the space covered by the box. Okay, now look at this example. This example is already done for you. Find the area of given square. Square is given, the shaded portion actually shows the area. So side is equal to 7 meter. If one side is 7, it means second side is also 7 meter, because all the 4 sides of the square are equal. So what is the area? Formula of area: side multiply by side, or s multiply by s. S represent the side. So side is equal to 7, so area is equal to one side multiplied by second side. 7 meter multiplied by 7 meter. So 7 sevens are 49 meter square or square meter. Clear? So very simple concept. I hope your concept is clear. Now I will solve one more example for you to clear the concept in your mind, that how to calculate the area. One more example is over here. Let's start the example. Example is, look at this square. This square is given. The one side of the square is 5 feet. The length of the one side is 5 feet. So it's the square. So all the 4 sides are equal in length. So if one side length is 5 meter, then 5 feet, then all other sides are also equal to 5 feet, but there is no need to mention. I am just putting it to tell you that if one side is equal to 5 feet, then all other sides will also be equal to 5 feet. Now what is area? We have to calculate the area. It means this inside portion, the space covered by this box, the space covered by this square box is called area. So we have to calculate this area, the space inside the box. So to calculate the area of the square, there is a formula: side multiply by side. What is the area of the square? The area of the square equal any of its two sides, multiplied together. So what is the side of the square? Side of the square is equal to 5 feet. Side of the square is equal to 5 feet. So what is the formula? According to the formula, side multiply by the other side together. You will multiply the sides for 2 times. So side is 5 feet, multiply by 5 feet. So 5 5s are 25 feet square or square feet. So this one is the area of a square. Very easy, very simple. Just you have to memorize the formula for the area of the square. Side multiply by side. Square, what is the area of the square? How we can calculate the area? Its two sides multiplied together. So first side and second side, all the sides are equal, so you can use the one side for 2 times 5 feet by 5 feet. So the area is equal to 25 square feet or feet square. I hope the concept for the area of the square is now clear. Now after this you have to do some practice. Okay, now open your booklet, page number 81. Exercise is given. Find the area of the following squares. In some examples only the sides are given, and in some examples the figure is given. By the figure you will identify the side. Use the formula over here. Follow the given instructions. According to the given instructions, solve these all examples and find the area of the square. For any problem you can watch the video, you can follow the instruction by the video, or you can ask me. Okay, thank you.